Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Moving your Trust Wallet to a new device is easier than you might think, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Before you do anything, make sure you have your recovery phrase written down and stored somewhere safe. This is your master key to your wallet, so don't skip this part. Step 2. Open your Trust Wallet app on your current device and go to the Settings menu. Look for the option that says Backup or Recovery Phrase. You'll see your 12 or 24-word recovery phrase displayed. Write this down carefully on paper or store it in a secure password manager. Step 3. On your new device, download the Trust Wallet app from the official App Store. Make sure you're downloading from the real Trust Wallet, not a fake version. Once installed, open the app and look for the Import or Restore option. Step 4. Select the option to import an existing wallet using your recovery phrase. Enter the 12 or 24 words in the exact order you wrote them down. This will restore all your assets to your new device. Step 5. Once your wallet is restored, verify that all your tokens and balances appear correctly. Double-check your transaction history to make sure everything looks right. You can now safely delete the Trust Wallet app from your old device if you want. Your crypto is secure on your new phone.